Clay just snatches it.
Why doesn't know better right now? He sees Aman's picture every day.
Why?
That's awesome.
I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Take it down.
Just take it down.
Do it. Just do it. Just do
You know
it.
what happened when I did it earlier?
Hey, look.
I ended up saying holy.
Oh.
S-H-I-T.
Hey, now. Watch your language.
She didn't even spell
I
it.
can't promise
She said it.
Holy S-H-I-T. That would definitely roll off the tongue as well.
And it's on camera too.
Yeah. You could say holy poops.
And it's gonna go to Kirumama, which is great for hearing.
This is not going to him.
What do you say, holy chichas?
Holy cheese.
Triana, say holy chichas. Come on, you do.
Did you get a haircut recently?
No?
It feels hard.
Hard?
Yeah.
No, it's the ends. My ends, just like the cut ends always feel out. If it's like
I
short
feel
hair.
like doing this too.
If it's short hair.
Like it feels good on my hand.
Thank you.
Are you done playing with Aman, bhai? You done?
Oh, he felt alone.
Oh, ball. Paina ball up, Dika.
PC. I love how he walks so cautiously. Yeah. Very cautious walker.
He's into self-preservation.
Something like that.